Style, luxury, and privacy. A true urban oasis. Welcome to this fully renovated Goose Hollow home just steps from Northwest 23rd. A prestigious West Hills location central to all Portland offers, including Washington Park and the Rose Garden. High ceilings and wide plank hardwood floors frame the elegant interior, beautifully designed with gracious living spaces throughout. The kitchen is ready for the chef with a huge cooktop island, stainless appliances, abundant storage, and a 5-burner gas range. Expansive multiple decks provide relaxing spaces to entertain in a beautiful private setting. The top floor primary suite offers the ultimate in luxury with treehouse-like views and 2 sumptuous baths. 2 custom-designed walk-in closets make organization a breeze, where no detail was overlooked in its thoughtful layout. A lower level features 2 more bedrooms. A full bath, a quiet loft area, and covered patios. Huge, professionally designed gardens with low-maintenance evergreen plantings provide a perfect backdrop for entertaining. On the ground level, discover an inviting family room with a wet bar and soaring ceilings. With a rare double lot in a prime location, you can pursue development options or keep it as a lush garden retreat. Enjoy the high walk score of 84, just 6 blocks to vibrant Northwest 23rd and its many boutiques, cafes, and restaurants. An exceptional urban oasis ready for you to call home. To schedule your own personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582 or email steve@nassarteam.com. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.